The 2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, backup camera, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, remote engine start, all-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.